The BMW M2 exists for one reason: to remind everyone what real driving feels like. No gimmicks, no apologies, just compact aggression wrapped around serious performance. From the first glance, the M2 looks like it's been lifting weights in secret. Wide fenders, squat stance, short wheelbase, every angle screams intent. This isn't a luxury coupe pretending to be sporty. This is a weapon built for drivers. Under the hood, the M2 delivers turbocharged brutality. Instant boost, explosive mid-range torque. Power that hits hard and stays relentless all the way to redline. The acceleration is violent but controlled. 0 to 60 disappears in seconds. And the engine note snaps between mechanical growl and turbo hiss like it's breathing through clenched teeth. What makes the M2 special isn't just straight line speed, it's balance. Perfectly sized, rear wheel drive, near ideal weight distribution. The chassis feels alive, constantly communicating through the steering wheel. Every corner becomes an invitation. Push harder and the M2 pushes back. Playful when you want it, precise when you need it. This is old school M philosophy sharpened by modern engineering. Historically, the M2 stepped in as the spiritual successor to BMW's most driver-focused machines. Smaller, lighter, meaner. While performance cars grew larger and more complex, the M2 doubled down on purity. Short wheelbase aggression combined with cutting-edge suspension tuning turned it into a track day monster that still dominates city streets. Inside, the cockpit is pure intent. Deep bolstered seats lock you in. Thick steering wheel. Minimal distractions. Everything points toward one job: driving. No unnecessary flash. Just function wrapped in premium materials. Tuning culture embraced the M2 instantly. Strong internals, massive turbo potential, and software gains that unlock absurd power numbers. From street builds to track monsters, the M2 thrives under modification. Wide tires, lowered stance, louder exhausts. This platform begs to be pushed beyond factory limits. But beyond numbers, the M2 represents something deeper. In an era of oversized performance cars and digital driving experiences, the M2 keeps things personal. Compact size, raw feedback, mechanical connection. It doesn't isolate the driver, it involves them. The BMW M2 isn't trying to be the fastest thing on paper. It's trying to be unforgettable behind the wheel. And when the road opens up, the boost builds, and the chassis settles into its rhythm, you're reminded why cars like this matter. The kind of feeling that once made people dream about machines far beyond reach.